If we continue to move forward in the future in the business as usual way, the dead zone in the Gulf of Mexico will only increase in size as the process of eutrophication continues. Nitrogen levels will spike as more food is needed to be grown in order to feed the ever-growing population. Our climates are going to continue to change, and we will see more intensive flooding that's going to cause even more nitrogen and phosphorus runoffs into the Mississippi. The dead zone will only continue to grow if we cannot implement better policies and practices with the general public behind the stakeholders in this wicked problem. 25 years into the future, if we can manage to decrease the size of the dead zone in the Gulf, we hope to see the economy in the area stabilizing. This decrease will allow the fishing industry to bloom in more sustainable ways as it grows to compete with others in the industry like China and Alaska. Less fertilizer will be used in crop production as it should now be a requirement to test soil to see the amount of fertilizer needed to grow a crop. Wetlands that once protected the Gulf from the excess nutrients from runoffs will be restored and help to serve as a buffer from the smaller amounts of nutrients that escape. As more time passes beyond this 25-year scenario, we would hope to see an increase in biodiversity in the Gulf. A few indicators that we could use would be profits from the fishing industry. We'd measure this in US dollars, and we would hope to see this grow as hypoxic zones shrink. Another one that we could use would be fertilizer consumption, and be measured the same way as US dollars, and we would hope to see fertilizer consumption shrink as we have better practices and policies in place for our farming. And then another one that we could use would be wetland loss or gain. If we are seeing more loss, it means we are converting more land for agricultural use or other uses.